Visa enables crypto withdrawals on debit cards in 145 countries. MetaMask users can now sell crypto directly to a Visa card, which eliminates the need to use centralized exchanges. The partnership allows users from 145 countries to directly convert at least 40 cryptocurrencies to fiat without relying on centralized exchanges. Some of the supported countries include jurisdictions like Cyprus, Malta, Singapore, Turkey, Portugal, and the United Arab Emirates, according to Transact's global coverage page. This is a major step towards mainstream acceptance and utilization of cryptocurrencies, Gangwar said, highlighting a more accessible and convenient nature of the transactions enabled by the integration. According to Gangwar, the collaboration brings significant benefits to users of decentralized platforms and wallets like the MetaMask, Ledger, Trust Wallet, and others. MetaMask users can now effortlessly off-ramp directly from their wallet to the Visa card, which enhances the usability and practicality of their digital assets, he noted. According to MetaMask's senior product manager Lorenzo Santos, the collaboration between Visa and Transact indeed enables a significant feature for MetaMask users. He said, Transact's integration with Visa opens new horizons for MetaMask users globally, providing more flexibility and smooth cryptocurrency to fiat conversions. According to Transact's Gangwar, the platform is involved in the integration as it holds licenses in multiple jurisdictions and ensures that the Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering tech is in place. This enables Transact to verify the user and legally enable such transactions, the exec added. One of the world's largest companies in the payments industry, Visa has been actively exploring the use cases of cryptocurrency in recent years. In 2020, Visa made a major move into crypto by partnering with the blockchain firm Circle to support the USDC stablecoin on certain Visa cards. In September 2023, Visa rolled out support for USDC payments settled on the Solana blockchain as it continued to expand the support of the stablecoin. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.